Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'd like to join the giveaway from CoxyPicks, and we have to open and lock anyway, and an open is an open, but don't use the key. What I do have is a bump key here, which doesn't work, obviously. I don't have the real key here, but we will use this self-made bump key to open this lock. Alright, so I hope this will be a quick entry. It's a U-style lock, and I got this little girly hammer here. Hopefully it will work. This one did not. Alright, an open is an open. That was a quick entry, so let's try it again. I like kinetic attacks. I'm good at it, but I do like it. Do I even want to pick it? No, not really. Ha ha ha, shit. Well, you saw me open it with a bump key before. Well, what else can we do? Not much, to be honest, today. I'm feeling the big picking list today, but I really wanted to support Coxy. And I believe it says, yeah, it is 300 survivor giveaway. Subscriber giveaway. So, congratulations, my friend. Well, bumping was faster. It's shiny on the camera, huh? This lock. Not so shiny in real life. Can I rake it? Probably faster to rake it. I don't know where the key went up. Or where the key is right now. I have no clue. Yeah, raking does work. So it's not a very high secure lock. Well, Coxy, hope this is good enough for you. I will get to the first prize pool with the shimming, but I have to get a can, because I don't have any cans at home. I rarely use a can, so I will get back on that later. So I have to go to work and find a can, and then I will make a video for you for the first prize pool. Okay, so check out CoxyPicks. He's a great guy, British I believe, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.